So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the same Wonder Woman transition effect that I did that helped me go viral on TikTok and Instagram. Now you will need this app from the App Store. I believe it's available for iPhone and Android. Now it's not a free app, but they do have a free trial. Now before you even start the app, you can go ahead and film your two transitions, one before the major transition and one afterwards, and bring both clips into the video editor. Once you have both clips in the editor, what you want to do is drag the line a few seconds before the second clip and then click on Effects, and then find the lens flare effect. And once you find the lens flare effect, click on it. Now you will see the lens flare effect in the top left of the screen, and what you want to do is drag it to the middle. Now select the check mark on the right side of the screen, and it'll take you back to the editor. Now as you can see, the lens flare effect is not quite how I want it. So if you click on the purple effects icon, you'll get a list of options. And you can choose any of those effects for lens flare. I chose the red sun lens flare effect. Now we need to raise the intensity up a bit. It's still too transparent. So go to intensity and raise it up to about 89, 90. That looks good, but we still want to fade in and fade out. So click on animation. Now click on in. And when you click on in, you'll see a fade in option. Select fade in and then go back. And now we want to fade out. From here, you can adjust the fade in and fade out intensity. So you'll notice there's like a little lever that you can drag to make it fade in longer or fade out longer. All right, so now I think it's just the way I want it. It's dark enough to hide my transition, and it's going to look and sound even better with the music. So that's how you do the Wonder Woman transition effect on the Videoleap app. Now in the video description here, I've added a link to the TikTok sound and the Instagram sound for doing that transition. I've also added a link to the Videoleap template that I made, so you can just use my template with any two clips. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.